In the past 5 years, we've built a truck camper from scratch, developed raw land into our dream home, started a family, built a road with lots of heavy equipment, and turned a Navy barge into a floating home. Wow, it's been a crazy 5 years. It's time to open the next chapter of Ambition Strikes, and that means we need to move. But more on that in a few minutes.
Nope, yours came out.
Maybe I should just walk away.
Well, if you walk away, leave the camera on. I just found my tote that's left over from building the Army snowblower. It's like, I don't remember what I was doing at all. It's kind of fun to go through all the old projects.
I'm feeling 50% overwhelmed and 52% really excited.
We already moved the ladders. It's not even like a flat one. All right, what is in the bin called race car stuff? Someday I will build my race car. Thanks, Chris. Coil springs that are for I don't know what, and like an electronic fan. I don't think I'm building a race car. That was only kind of like out of control chaos. Good morning. Yesterday was a mix of excited to overwhelmed to hangry, back to overwhelmed, and then excited again. Come on in. Who chose to give us a brand new building?
No one's been in here. Oh my gosh.
All right, welcome to the office. And then welcome to the shop. Chris and I got the first load of stuff unloaded, and I think this morning we're just gonna start putting stuff together.
What does Oliver say?
Ready, set, go!
This is the part where you ask me if I'm feeling strong.
Are you feeling strong?
No. Do you want some gloves?
No.
Okay.
Where did you even find those?
In the welding bin.
You just need to hold that up.
Oh, I can do that. It's kind of terrifying you coming at me with that thing. Maybe. Oh gosh. Don't drop it on my head. Oh, it might be in.
Maybe we're gonna have to build a break room up in the mezzanine.
I'm actually really impressed we've been able to build this without a ladder.
Imagine how easy it would be with a ladder.
Imagine how easy it'd be with a forklift.
The blanket was a good idea.
Riley just told me that the reason he got a Band-Aid wasn't because he was injured, it was because he was bleeding on everything.
Yeah, I didn't want to get blood on the floor on our stuff.
Do you want some gloves?
No.
Okay.
Why do you wear Band-Aids?
To seal my wound.
No.
From dirt. Freaking drywallers clean up after themselves. I feel like I can complain about the drywallers because I've been the drywaller.
Well, I'm sure they'd ask the electricians to clean up after the drywallers. I mean, at least now we have gravity on our side.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Okay.
Oh, ready? I'm pushing. Okay, on the ramp.
Woo! You didn't steer.
Don't tell Riley that I let go.
I've always been a dreamer, and today I'm dreaming up the next big project on this channel. And while I'm not quite ready to share the details yet, I can tell you it's gonna require a lot of driving, like 3,000 miles of driving. And that means a lot of gas. And luckily, thanks to Upside, the sponsor of today's video, I'm gonna be able to get cash back every single time I fill up. I was telling my dad about Upside recently, and he couldn't believe that it's actually that simple and that I save real money every time I fuel up. Today I'm gonna be earning 20 cents per gallon just by using the Upside app. And yes, it's cash back. No confusing rewards, points, or credits. Just actual money that I can transfer straight into my bank account. All you have to do is download the free Upside app, create an account, and claim the deal that you want from over 100,000 gas stations, restaurants, and grocery stores. You can earn 3 times more cash back with Upside than you can with other products like credit cards or loyalty programs. Upside has saved users over $1 billion. To find out how much you could earn, click the link in the description below to download Upside and use the code AMBITION to save 25 cents per gallon on your first tank of gas. That's code AMBITION for 25 cents off on your first tank of gas. And thanks again to Upside for sponsoring this video and making our next big project possible. I just dropped Oliver off at preschool. This is the beginning of his second week of school. We are so proud of him. And I can't believe that Courtney and I have a preschool aged kid now. We have a kid that's in preschool. I think part of this, renting this shop, has to do with making sure that our kids are well cared for, because getting that little bit of separation from our home life and our work life. And the other one is, I just dropped Oliver off at school. In 1.5 minutes, I'm gonna be at the shop. It's gonna make things a lot easier and a lot more streamlined for us to have this place in town to go work where we can have deliveries, we can have freight dropped off, I can get steel delivered. It's gonna simplify a lot of the logistics and allow us to focus on the making and the doing and the building, and focus on our family and our kids. And I think that's gonna mean that the projects are gonna be better. We, as our Ambition Strikes YouTube family, that includes all of our viewers, that includes all of you guys, you have helped us achieve so much more than we ever thought was possible. So thank you guys for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, because this is just the beginning. We have a lot of cool stuff lined up in the works that I'm not ready to share yet because I don't want to jinx it. All right, well, I'm at the shop. I've got a truckload of stuff I'm gonna unload. We're gonna go back and get the rest of it.
I don't think these wheels are meant for gravel.
1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th. This will be the 6th time we've put it in a shop. The 6th location of this plasma table. Nope, we've never had a forklift. We've always just done it. It's heavy. Just getting the wheels going the right way.
So instead of a forklift, we have a cherry picker.
Don't underestimate these things. They'll save the day. Oh, we're lifting. Okay, Courtney's gonna back the truck under it. Stop! Nice job. That is actually shockingly easy. Perfect. I need to get the trailer moved a little bit. And I was worried that the weight of the plasma table was gonna make the trailer flip over backwards. In fact, I don't know if you guys can see, it already started happening. So I ended up putting jack stands under the back. Now I'm gonna try to pick up the front and see if I can roll the trailer forward a few inches. Oh yeah. Middle of the night last night, I was stressing about this and I was planning on going and renting a forklift today. So I'm glad that we saved the money on the forklift rental, because I don't actually think it would have made that any easier. I also noticed that you called me out for being grumpy.
Do you need a cookie?
Do you have one?
No.
Have you told them what we're gonna build yet in here?
No.
Me neither. It's because I'm kind of feeling like if we say it, then it's like it won't come true.
You know that feeling when you wake up just like sore and exhausted, but feeling so accomplished? That was this morning. We've moved our shop, I think 5 times now. And every time I can't help but reflect on the past. And like when we moved into our first shop, we didn't even have money to pay our first month's rent. We ended up selling my car to pay our first couple months rent. And then it was like, well, we better start making money so we can keep renting this space. Basically, if kid version Riley and Courtney could see where we are now and the shop that we have and the tools that we have now, like I don't ever want to take that for granted. I'm so grateful for this opportunity and I can't wait to start building things. Oh, are you just gonna do it by yourself? Look at that. Sweet. That's awesome. This is Grumpy Riley. He's tired. He decided to wear his new boots today, so his feet hurt.
New boots, my feet hurt because they're not broken in. I think that I've been working on like, is it adrenaline when you're like excited about something? And then now I'm sort of crashed. Courtney bought this hose reel, this retracting hose reel. She's very excited about, and I like to support her in her excitement. But there's no way to attach stuff to these walls. Like, so now I'm dismantling the building to try to figure out a way to put this together. The brand new building. Luckily there's a steel stud right here. I think I could go like this. I feel like I'm working on the barge again.
Why, because you're shoving stuff in the walls? Ooh.
And I think if I go right here.
I know for a fact we moved at least one pair of safety glasses.
Okay, now there's a piece of wood back here.
Probably not.
All right, is that better? Oh, that is much better. Now the wall's not flexing, now just the hose reel is. Perfect. All right, an hour later, our 5-minute project is done.
It's not an hour.
Felt like an hour.
We'll need to get a hose splitter now. But I agree that the other sprayer is better.
What is this? All right, you want me to show you how it works? It feels like there's no hose washer in there. Do you remember the time my mom gave everyone hose washers in their stockings for Christmas?
Your mother is a great gift giver.
Such a practical gift.
I think she gave us Yeti koozies that year too.
Did you guys see this too? Floor drain. I think that's the most exciting feature for me in this whole shop. Do you remember our friend's dog, the shop dog that was trained to pee in the floor drain?
Question. Do I look as tired as I feel? There are so many pieces. Look how much hardware there is.
All the pieces, more pieces over here. Another day, another Craigslist adventure. The whole family came with us. We've got baby Dean, Oliver, Mama. We're headed to go buy a forklift. I've been agonizing over this forklift. I've been shopping for weeks. I've missed out on a few good deals because I haven't been able to pull the trigger. And this morning one popped up. It's a Sunday. And one popped up that I think is going to work well. It's in the budget. It's the right size. And I just hope it looks good when we get there. All right. We made it.
She is.
There she is. Ooh, and a Jeep. I don't know where the guy is that's selling it, but the forklift is here. Did someone like make it street legal with lights and a windshield?
Well, I think it was a Boeing thing. You know?
Like, yeah.
It has running lights and backup.
Interesting. Listen to it. Listen to it run. It's also the oldest one I've looked at, but it runs good. It looks super simple to work on. I think it's gonna work well for us. So now the challenge is how do we get it on this trailer?
That's how you fuck with.
Where's he driving it?
Yeah. What is about over, Daddy.
Why did I get out?
I want to know what the heck you're doing.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to get this forklift up on our trailer. And I was hoping I could use this little loading dock he has, but he warned me that the forklift was gonna get stuck.
Somehow, Riley thinks he's gonna get the forklift up that ramp. Do you think it's gonna work, Oliver?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think it's gonna work?
Uh-oh. Oh. Get it.
Not enough traction.
All right, I need to hit it with a little more.
Yeah, it's only one tire spin here, dude.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah! I'll lift it up your truck, but
Did it lift the truck?
God, it did, yeah.
Yeah. It made it up there.
It made it up there.
Right, made it home. Pulling into the shop now to unload the forklift. I hope it goes better than yesterday, because we almost didn't get it on the trailer. I went all over this industrial park looking for like a better place to unload this, but I think right here in the parking lot, we have this drainage swell right down the center. I think this is gonna be the lowest point I can get this trailer set up to, so. Oh, the seat is wet. It rained a lot last night. Ah. Sounds good cold. When I got there, it was like fully warmed up. It always makes me nervous when I buy something when somebody else has already warmed the thing up. But there it is, that's a cold start. Sounds good. All right, let's get it chained out. Let's get it unchained and unloaded. The forklift just died. Oh, I forgot to turn the valve on in the tank. That's definitely the problem. I'm going to put this jack down, try to get the front of the trailer as high as I can. Here it goes. The strap that holds the propane tank on just like flew off when I was unloading it. Could you imagine if you told like trail tested Courtney and Riley, who were fresh out of college, that we were gonna own a forklift? I've been reminiscing so much the last few weeks that we've been moving of like back then, and it's making me so excited to start the next project. All we need is our next big project.
And we think we found it.
There's just one problem. It's in Florida.
What are you doing? Stop it, you're doing